The integration of automation, AI, and robotics is reshaping the job market, leading to both displacement and the creation of new roles. While some routine tasks are automated, this transformation necessitates a shift in the skills required for the future workforce. Skills like adaptability, critical thinking, and technological proficiency are becoming increasingly crucial, complementing human capabilities in areas where machines excel. Jobs focusing on creativity, complex problem solving, and emotional intelligence are expected to flourish, demanding a more adaptable and diverse skill set. The future workforce will benefit from a blend of technical expertise and uniquely human skills to navigate the changing landscape, fostering a balance between automation and the human touch in the workplace.